Hey guys, welcome into another weekly portfolio update. Just a quick video this week as there's not too much to share. Starting off with the stocks, we're down a whopping $3,785 this week, which leaves us with a total loss of $10,595, which is 17.8%. And my total stock portfolio is currently $48,505. Crypto portfolio $4,746, which is down $790 from last week. And my house is $650K, so the valuation's gone up a fair bit since last week, which means my net worth is also up fairly significantly since last week, $336K. A third of the way to becoming a millionaire. So into my stocks here. Love sorting it by total change and looking at how broke I am. All my stocks are just down huge. All the ones that were still up I sold in order to double down on the ones that were down further. Not really a lot to say apart from a few of them are getting back into my buy prices. The ones that I would be looking at buying around these prices are Planet 13, SDC, Palantir, Tattooed Chef, Corsair Gaming, and Honest. Although I currently don't have enough free money to be putting into stocks, so I haven't put any in this week, and I haven't bought anything this week, haven't made any moves. And probably not going to for the next few weeks unless the markets tank heavily. And that's just because I have a mortgage top-up that I took out 1 year ago for $10,000, which is when I was renovating my house. I used that money to renovate the house, and now I'm hoping I'll be able to pay most of it off pretty quickly, chuck it on floating and just get it paid off as fast as possible, because back then the interest rates were great and now they are not so great. Coming into the Yardeni graph here, so we can see that this is forward PE ratios for the S&P 500, 400 and 600. Starting off with the small caps, you can see we've actually gone all the way back down and then some. We're currently the lowest they've been since the COVID crash back here. So plenty of good opportunities within small caps. Mid caps are close to the lowest they've been. They were a bit lower just back here. They're heading back down. They've moved back down quite a bit. And large caps have done the smallest retrace. They're only about a third of the way back down to the lows they reached just down here. So not as many opportunities in large caps, especially seeing as it's so much higher relative to the previous performance than the mid caps and the small caps are. So small caps are trading the cheapest. So the S&P 500 this week down 1.3%. For comparison, I'm down 7% this week, so quite a bit more than the S&P 500. The Russell 2000 down 4.6 and 4.15 on the Nasdaq. So I managed to underperform all three of these this week by a significant margin, and here's the reason why. These are my largest positions, largest 5. 8.95 down on Tattooed Chef, 3.37%, so not too bad for Corsair. 9.48% for the week on Palantir, 7.4% down for Honest, and 15.7% down for Smolder Club. So getting back down to those lows. If it hits $2 again, in my opinion, that's a pretty good buy price. But some of these, pretty much all of these, I could look at buying more of, along with Planet 13 as well. Into crypto, I guess. So crypto's moved down quite a bit. The main one that matters to me is Ethereum. So it's still above 3K, so still definitely going to be profitable on the mining, making 2 or 2.5 times what I pay on electricity. So yeah, that's not even close to a concern yet. But yeah, the higher Ethereum goes, the more I'll be making, which the faster I'll pay off my GPUs. So obviously I want that to go higher. But yeah, had a bit of a down week this week for crypto. Yeah, I still have about 5,000 New Zealand dollars of crypto laying around in my wallet, and another 1,000 here once you subtract, well, do the conversion and subtract fees and stuff. Probably about 1,200 or so. Yeah, after all the fees to get it out. Then yeah, so that's about 6k, and I've also cashed out about 700, probably a bit over 6k, so around 7k in total in earnings from crypto mining, all up since I've started buying the rigs, and I'm at 28k in, so around a quarter of the way paid off, 25%. But I'm also still putting money in. Actually, that reminds me, I'm about 28.5k in now because I just bought one more GPU, which is probably going to be the last one for a while. But yeah, that's pretty much all for crypto and crypto mining. I go more in depth on my other channel, have another channel for crypto mining called Kiwi Crypto Miner. Yeah, I just go into overclocking and stuff mainly in that channel. Yeah, and that's all I've got for this week. Pretty uneventful for me anyway, and my stocks. So yeah, leave a like, comment, and subscribe to support the channel, and have a great day. See ya.